Scriptures by Guru Maharaj Sri K.R. Santanam.
Jivan Mukta. A Jivan Mukta is a liberated sage. He is released even while living. He lives in the world, but he is not of the world. He always reveals in the eternal bliss of the Supreme Self. He is the Lord Himself, a God on earth. The Jivan Mukta or full blown sage is full of pure love, compassion, mercy, exquisite gentleness, and hidden power and strength. Love and luster shine through his brilliant eyes. The Jivan Mukta has not a bit of selfish interest in him and is absolutely free from worries, difficulties, troubles, tribulations, and sorrows under all circumstances. Even when pain and affections attach themselves to his body, exhibit himself on his face, his mind never writhes under them or their antithesis. He is not a slave of his moods. He is ever cheerful and peaceful. His higher excellences have been perfectly unfolded. All divine attributes are fully awakened in him. Every one of his weaknesses and limitations is burnt into two. He shines in his own pristine glory, in his own essential nature of divine consciousness. He radiates peace and joy everywhere. The true greatness of a realized yogi is indescribable. His eyes are inspiring and impressive. His nature is magnanimous. His touch purifying, his looks are merciful, gestures illuminating. He is omniscient. He has intuitive transcendental knowledge and clear insight into the very heart of all things and beings. We will experience a deep sense of peace and harmony, great elevation and inspiration in his presence. The Jivan Mukta or liberated sage is absolutely free from egoism, fear, doubt, and grief. These are the four important signs that indicate that one has attained perfection. The liberated sage is perfectly content, has unruffled peace of mind, experiences deep abiding joy and bliss, possesses supersensual spiritual knowledge, and has the ability to clear any kind of doubt an aspirant may have. Doubts vanish when one remains in his company. The Jivan Mukta does not even care for the wants of the body. He is not afraid of death and has no longing to live. Mother Nature is his obedient and sweet nurse, attending upon him carefully. Bodily wants come by themselves. Nature arranges everything for him beforehand, this being her responsibility. Balanced mind, equal vision, indifference to the pairs of opposites like pleasure and pain, censure and praise, heat and cold, success and failure. These are the marks of a Jivan Mukta.
Oh.